Greetings and welcome. Today we're diving into the mysterious world of r2modman and its elusive error code 524. This error, although seemingly obscure, can be a real nuisance for avid gamers. But fear not, as we're going to dissect this issue and provide some potential solutions. The r2modman error code 524, from preliminary research, appears to be a server-side issue or a result of temporary glitches. While there isn't any official explanation for this error, our best guess points towards these two reasons. So what's the first course of action? Well, an initial simple solution is to turn off your device and give it a rest for about 3 to 4 minutes. After this brief pause, fire it up again and see if the error persists. However, if the error is still haunting your gaming experience, there's a second method you can try. This one involves exporting your profile in a different way. Instead of using code for export, try the file-based export. You can find this option tucked neatly away in your settings menu. But what if the error is still there, stubbornly refusing to leave? The next step is to change your internet connection. Try connecting your device to a different Wi-Fi network. If you don't have access to another Wi-Fi, a mobile hotspot connection could also do the trick. After changing the connection, check once more if the error remains. If all else fails, and the error 524 is still present, then it's time to turn to the r2modman community. On the r2modman Discord group, you can find a section called Thunderstore Announcements. Check here to see if there's any recent server announcement regarding an outage or maintenance. This could be the reason behind your persistent error. So, to summarize, the r2modman error code 524 seems to be a server-side issue or a temporary glitch. The potential solutions include restarting your device, trying a file-based export instead of using code, changing your internet connection, and finally, checking the r2modman Discord group for any recent server announcements. Remember, every problem has a solution, and the r2modman error code 524 is no exception. Stay patient, stay persistent, and most importantly, stay gaming. Until next time, happy troubleshooting. If you like this information, don't forget to subscribe, it will be a great support. And for more tech updates, visit queries.com.